All right, so I did my project on benefits of drip irrigation on weed control, and drip irrigation is just a type of micro irrigation that has a lot of potential to save water and nutrients by allowing water to drip slowly to the roots of plants, either from you can do this above the soil surface or buried below the surface. I specifically did my research on the subsurface drip irrigation and its effects on weeds. In the study, they used three irrigation methods, and one of those being the subsurface drip, the furrow, and the sprinkler irrigation. Um, so basically, they just collected data weekly over a year, and then you can see over here in the graph that the green is the drip irrigation system, and that is obviously the lowest out of the three over a annual period. So also the results section, there's a picture at the very top. Up here, the top picture is the subsurface drip irrigation, and the bottom is the furrow and the sprinkler. You can see obviously that it's just cluttered with weeds in the bottom picture and kind of has more definition in the top picture. So my conclusion of this experiment is to use subsurface drip irrigation as a more ecologically sound alternative for controlling weeds and not having to depend on chemicals that could ruin the organic material of your vegetable or crop.